today I'm going to show you how to fillet a barramundi. Alright, got to get your knife nice and sharp. And first you take one barramundi, finely caught by Chris. And you sit him on the thing. I go in just above the top fin with the knife, push it in, come up to the head, along the backbone, turn it around, go back down towards the tail. About here, push the knife all the way through, follow the backbone along to the end. Then you come up here, there's a little spur. Put the knife there, I cut down to the bone, put the thumb in, and you just work the knife along the backbone. Bring the nice fillet away from the bone. Do it all the way along. Actually, the knife will slide over the ribcage. And a nice boneless fillet of barramundi. Then turn the fish over. This way, I work same place, back towards the tail, get to there again, knife all the way through, bring it through. The trouble is when you've got a slimy barramundi, it sticks everywhere. So I put my finger in the gill, put the knife back, work towards the head, go under that little raker, the bone, back along the spine again. Over the ribcage. Thank you very much. Another fillet of barrel. And skin it. The way you do that, take a nice sharp knife. I start from the back of the fillet, cut down to the skin, to there. Some people actually put a hole through the skin, so you can put the finger in. I don't worry, I just go push the knife and then just seesaw the fillet across the skin. Beautiful. Keep the fat off.